Open the glove box. Remove the damper cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops. Detach the glove box from the hinges. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing and remove the housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing door. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure to the base sides will have it click into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.